Hello viewers, welcome to yet another session of Total Commerce. As we know, the world is fighting against corona pandemic. Amid this crisis, few good news came in front as well, which will obviously benefit India in a big way. The environment is now clean and green, and the declining crude oil prices on the economic front, etc. Today, we will discuss the impact of coronavirus on crude oil. In this video, an analysis of drop in prices of crude oil in view of corona pandemic has been made. The reasons contributing to fall in crude oil prices are as follows. The first reason I could see is corona has compelled all the countries to restrict traveling around the world. This is the single significant reason among others for a fall of more than 50% in demand of crude oil in just 2 weeks. Now, the majority of airlines are operating at approximately 30% capacity. These are largest consumers of oil in form of air turbine fuel. As a result, tourist related consumption declined. The next point, the increasing use of electric vehicles under the FAME India scheme of Government of India. Another reason that I could observe is that people are going for rented cars due to the problem of parking, etc. they are facing. It has also led to decline in demand of cars and also the crude oil. The world's largest oil consuming United States of America has become self-reliant in oil, and even it has started exporting oil. Coronavirus has proven to be a killer for crude oil exporting nations, that is OPEC and its member countries. Storage of crude oil is at maximum level in almost all exporting countries like Venezuela, Saudi Arabia and Canada. Now we move to the benefits that arises to India. The first is sharp fall in oil prices is a blessing to India, which imports approximately 80 to 85% of its demand. A big oil importing country like India will be saving $30 to 40 billion. This will transfer the wealth of oil producing or exporting countries to the oil consuming or importing nations like India. Crude fell below $20 a barrel on April 15 as a result of lockdown in the country. This fall is good news for Indian government, which is short of expected GST collections. Drop in oil prices will reduce the pressure on inflation, interest rate, and it will further revive the economic activity. This in turn will positively impact fiscal deficit, external borrowings and debt position of the country. So, this is all about crude and corona. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Total Commerce Dr. Sumit, and please don't hesitate to share it.